your boy fell asleep and my durag came off. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do to get it back, you know what I'm saying? It ain't too bad, you know what I mean? Like, I wasn't going crazy, but still. So I'm gonna start with this. So just comb out everything. Because especially when you're sleeping, you know, your hair's gonna get all tangled up, so use this to detangle and also to lift up the rest of the hairs to match the hairs that got lifted from you not wearing your durag. Funny thing is, I should have washed yesterday, but because I was so busy and tired, I didn't. I would have been big pissed if I washed and then, you know, my rag fall off when I'm asleep. I would have been big pissed. So the first thing I'll do is this is cold water. Pat dry to soak up most of the moisture out of there. Alright, see, this thing is pretty much hardened. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? There you go. It's like almost completely hard. It's cooler temperatures now, so anyway. So I get that much from out of the thing. Regal knife. Over. Hang on, tea tree. Alright, so I'm gonna give you an example of what I was talking about with porosity. So y'all saw I just wet my hair, right? And then I use the towel to blot it. These sides right here, they're almost completely dry. This feels like how it felt after I towel blotted. You know, it's slightly damp. But these sides right here, it's almost as if I didn't do anything. That's how it feels right now. That's why ideally I would use a spray bottle, but I haven't bought a new one yet. So hard, medium, soft. medium. All right, y'all, so that's it, man. Hope this helps. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know what y'all think below the series so far, man. You know, we at day, 22 now? I'm losing track. We're at day 22 now. Appreciate all y'all that's been supporting me. It's been watching the videos and whatnot. And leaving them comments. You know, y'all the real MVPs. But until next time, it's your boy Tech. Peace.